Welcome to For More Education. In this video, we are going to correct the Advanced Level National Examination of Physics 2 2024-2025 done on 14 July 2025. If you like this video, add a comment for what you want in next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes and the science lessons. In this national examination containing two sections, Section A and Section B, Section A attempt all question and Section B attempt any three questions. We are going to answer each question one by one first, and then I will give you the answer to all of these questions. Let's start. Section A. Attempt all questions. 1. State whether each of the following statement is true or false. A. In a simple harmonic motion, the restoring force is directly proportional to the displacement of a body. The correct answer is true because the restoring force is directly proportional to the displacement of simple harmonic motion. B. In a simple harmonic motion, the displacement is maximum when the velocity is maximum. The correct answer is false because velocity is maximum at the mean position means that displacement is 0. C. In a simple pendulum, the period of oscillation depends on mass of the bulb. The correct answer is false because the period of simple pendulum depends only on length and gravity. D. The total mechanical energy in simple harmonic motion depends on the frequency of oscillation. The correct answer is false because total energy depends on amplitude, not frequency. Question 2. Select and circle the letter of a correct alternative that best completes the statement. I. Quarks are constituent of. We have different options. The correct one is letter C, or hadrons. I2. Which was the first particle discovered that is still today believed to be elementary, that is to say not made up of further constituents? The correct option is letter B, electron. I3. Any baryon is a combination of. The correct option is A, 3 quarks. I4. What is a force that binds protons and neutrons in a nucleus? The best option is C, strong nuclear force. V. Which is an exchange particle for weak nuclear force? The correct option is D, W boson. Question 3. With regards to electric field and the gravitational field, use an arrow and match the terms in the table below with their description. We have term and also this description. You are going to match them. A. Gravitational potential. Match to I3. Work done to bring a unit mass to a point from infinite. B. Electric field strength. Match to I1. Electric force per unit electric charge at a point. C. Electric potential. Match to IV. Work done to bring a unit electric charge to a point from infinite. D. Equipotential surface. Match to I2. Surface where electric potential is constant. Question 4. Choose the option that best answers the question or completes the statement. The following is a simplified diagram of a double slit experiment used to demonstrate the interference of light. I. Which of the following phenomena is the evidence of a particular nature of light? The correct answer is letter B, Compton effect. I2. Which statement is true about electromagnetic waves? The best options is B. They are transversal waves. I3. For constructive interference to occur at a point, the phase difference between two coherent light waves must be. The correct answer is 0 rad, because constructive interference, it has a phase difference equal to 0 or 2 pi. IV. The destructive interference to occur at point P, the path difference between two interfering waves must be. The correct answer is C, 2n plus 1 wavelength over 2 as a condition for destructive wave. V. In young double slit experiment, when light passes through two narrow slits and create an interference pattern on a screen, what happens when the slit separation is decreased? The correct answer is C, the fringe width increase. Question 5. Identify the correct alternative that best answers the question or complete the statement below. A. A ray of light after refraction through lens emerges parallel to the principal axis of the lens. The incident ray passes through. The correct answer is letter C. It's second focus. I2. Where must an object be placed in front of converging lens in order to obtain a virtual image? The correct answer is between focal point and lens. Letter D, between focal point and the lens. I3. The diverging lens produces an image of a real object. The image is. The correct answer is virtual, smaller and upright. Virtual, smaller than object and upright. Letter B. IV. What is the condition for minimum deviation of light ray in prism? The correct answer is letter C. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of emergence. Question 6. Choose the correct answer from proposed alternative. I. Which of the following is best to describe the term energy degradation? The correct answer is letter B. Energy that is transformed into rays, useful form, usually heat. I2. A device that converts heat energy into work in a cycle process is. The correct answer is letter D, heat engine. I3. What is the function of turbine in a power plant? The correct answer is letter B. Convert kinetic energy of moving fluid into mechanical energy. IV. Which energy source is primarily used in a thermal power plant? The correct answer is letter C, fossil fuel. Question 7. Match the element in column A with the one in column B according to their meaning. A. Base transfer station match to I2 used for relaying signal between mobile phone and network. B. Frequency modulation match to V. The frequency of a carrier signal is iterated at a rate equal to the frequency of audio frequency, but the amplitude remains constant. C. Satellite communication match to IV transmit radio signal for long distance communication. D. Mobile switching center match to I3 routes calls and connects mobile device to the network. E. Phase modulation match to I1. The amplitude and the frequency of carrier signal remains constant. Question 8. Fill in a blank space with an appropriate term from a list below. 4 terms are distractors: red sheet, blue sheet, elliptical, spiral, universal, sun, relativity, Big Bang. I. Milky Way galaxy is larger barred galaxy that include the solar system. The best option is spiral. B. The of light from most galaxies is evidence that the universe is expanding, supporting the theory. The first put redshift. The last one, this one, put Big Bang. C. The reciprocal of Hubble's constant gives the edge of The correct answer is universal. Question 9. State whether each of the following statement is true or false. A. Energy distribution of black body radiation states that when wavelength increase, the energy emitted from black body radiation will increase first and then decrease. The correct answer is true. B. All objects emit radiation if they have a temperature greater than OK. The correct answer is true. C. Climate change differs only on Earth's rising surface temperature. The correct answer is false. D. Increased carbon dioxide will cause sea ice to reduce in spatial coverage. In turn, the reduced ice extent is a positive feedback on Earth's surface temperature because it has a greater albedo than ocean. The correct answer is false. Question 10. Choose the option that best answer the question or complete the statement. I1. If the distance between two masses is doubled, the gravitational force between them. The correct answer is letter D, is reduced to quarter. I2. The time period of a satellite orbiting Earth is a circular orbit is independent of. The correct option is B, mass of the satellite. I3. A satellite travels around the Sun in an elliptic orbit as shown. As the satellite travels from X to Y, which of the following is true about its speed and angular momentum? The correct option is letter C. Speed increase and the angular momentum remain constant. I4. Which of the following is true regarding gravitational potential energy and gravitational potential? The correct option is A. Gravitational potential energy depends on mass of object and the gravitational potential, while gravitational potential depends only on mass source. V. If F1 is a magnitude of force exerted by a Earth on a satellite in orbit above the Earth, and the F2 is the magnitude of force exerted by the satellite on Earth, then which of the following is true? The correct answer is letter B. F1 is equal to F2. Question 11. Choose the option that best answer the question. I. The critical angle for total internal reflection from medium to vacuum is 30 degrees. A. The refractive index of the medium is. The correct answer is 2. Letter D. B. Use your result from A to find the speed of light in medium. The correct answer is B. 2 times 10 power 8 meter per second. I2. An optical fiber has a refractive index of N1 equal to 1.45 for core and the N2 equal to 1.42 for the cladding. What is the critical angle at the core cladding interface? The correct answer is 57.4. Letter B. The more explanation you can see in full answers. You are comparing the use of multimode fiber and single mode fiber for a long distance communication link. Based on performance, which would you recommend for a system requiring my minimum signal distortion over long distance? Question 12. Choose the option that answers the question. I. State whether each of the following statement is true or false. A. Work is a vector quantity because it depends on both the force and displacement direction. The correct option is first. B. According to the work energy theorem, the work done by all forces acting on a body is equal to the kinetic energy of the body. The correct answer is first. I2. A 77 kilogram dive drops from a board 10 meters above the water surface, taken as the reference level of gravitational potential energy. Assume that there is no air friction. A. Its potential energy before dropping is. The correct answer is letter D, 7,553.7 joule. B. Its kinetic energy at the water surface is. The correct answer is letter C, 7,553.7 joule. C. The velocity at the water surface is. The correct answer is letter D, 14 meters per second. Question 13. Choose the option that answer the question or complete the statement. I. Calculate the following. A. The electric potential due to an electric charge of 4 times 10 power negative 7 coulomb at a point P located 0.09 meters away from it. The correct answer is letter C, 4 times 10 power 4 volt. B. The magnitude of electric field created by an electric charge of 4 times 10 power negative 7 coulomb at a point P located 0.09 meters away from it. The correct answer is D, 4.4 times 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb. I2. A point electric charge causes an electric flux of 6 times 10 power 3 Newton meter square per coulomb to pass through a spherical Gaussian surface of 9 cm radius centered on electric charge. A. If the radius of Gaussian surface increases, what happens to the electric flux through the surface? The correct answer is B. It will remain the same. B. What is the value of electric charge enclosed by the above Gaussian surface? The correct answer is letter C, 5.31 times 10 power negative 8 coulomb. Question 14. State whether each of the following statement is true or false. A. Rainfall, steepness of slope, earthquake, arrangement of rock ray are some causes landslide. The correct answer is true. B. Epicenter of an earthquake is the point inside the earth where the earthquake begins. The correct answer is false. C. In flood-prone areas, a creative solution might involve designing homes with elevated foundation or floating houses that can withstand rising water. The correct answer is true. D. Establishing an early warning system and evacuation routes in the desert management plans that you would propose for a coastal city prone to tsunami? The correct answer is true. E. City vulnerable to cyclones would benefit more from building underground bunkers in every home than developing a public alert system and clear evacuation routes. The correct answer is false. Question 15. An electron is accelerated from rest through an electric potential difference of 2000 volt of 200 volt. Choose the option that answer the question or complete the statement. I. Calculate the kinetic energy of this electron. The correct answer is letter C, 32 times 10 power negative 18 joule. I2. Use the relation between linear momentum and the kinetic energy of a moving body to calculate momentum of the electron. The correct answer is letter C, 3.82 times 10 power negative 23 kilogram meter per second. I3. Calculate the Broglie wavelength of electron. The correct answer is letter B, 1.74 times 10 power negative 11 meter. Section B, attempt 3 questions. We have question 16. We have question 17. And also we have question 18. And also we have question 20. You are going to see their correction in the following below. Here we have a marking guide. Section A, this is a solution on question 1. Question 2, question 3, question 4, and their explanation. Question 5, question 6, question 7, question 8, question 9, question 10, question 11, question 12, question 13, question 14, question 15, and section B, question about X-ray tube. This is their solution. A, B, I2, A, this is a solution. B, this is a solution. I3, this is a solution. And the IV, this is a solution. Question 17 about the thermodynamic circle. A, this is a solution. B, this is correct answer. C, I1, this is answer. I2, D, and the question 18 about sound waves. We have letter A. The correct answer is this one, B, this one, and the I2, this is a correct answer, And this is a correct answer. Please read carefully according to the question. This is a question 98. Electricity. This is their correction. Question 20 about atomic physics. This is a correct answer. Read carefully and comparing to the questions. And if you have any question, please add in comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.